What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about this look right here. Yes, we are creating this look right here, but before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, let's jump right on in. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm actually going to do is reline my eyebrows. Actually, I'm only going from the arch to the tip, and I'm using a black pencil to do that. Now I'm moving straight into the color, our crease color, which is an orange, and then we're going straight into the brown color to help shade and create that dimension within our eye. We are now going to move into an army green color. Yes, all these colors are by Juviasplace, and we're just blending that right on in. Now we're going to move into foundation. I actually mixed the illuminating veil and danessa Myricks W05 to get that glowy skin, and now I'm taking actually the W2 and just putting it right in my forehead, down the center of my nose, the high points of my faces. We are highlighting all this right now. Now I'm going to jump right on into that medium shade color, and then we're going to move right into contour as in Fenty Beauty. You guys know all these steps if you've been watching my videos already. I'm going to actually take my defining brush to help shape my nose, and I'm using the Fenty contour color in shade 400. I actually use those colors in my contour places as in my cheekbones, under my chin, and we just blended that all in. Now what you see me doing is taking a little bit of translucent powder, and I am setting and forgetting. Yes, we all love that George Foreman slogan, setting and forget it. So that's what we are doing right here, right now. We are setting and forgetting our makeup. I'm actually using the Danessic Myrick setting powder in the medium shade. I'm doing it across my forehead, down my cheeks, any of my high points where I highlighted. That is where you see me using that powder. Now what I'm doing is taking the Kevin Aucoin, or Kevin Aucoin, what I like to call it, and it is one of my favorite concealers. It's a little thick, but I love the consistency of it. I love how light it is, and I'm actually just going over my highlighted points with that Kevin Aucoin, because to me, I just felt like my makeup needed to be boosted up just a little bit. So we're going across the forehead, under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, things of that sort. You know, where you highlight. Next, we are grabbing our setting powder. Now, it was a preset before the reset, and reset, now we set. I know, it makes absolutely no sense. But now we're setting our concealers with a thicker powder, and we're actually going to leave this on for a little bit as we contour our nose. Okay, so now we are contouring our nose. We are blending out that harsh line. We don't want to see any lines. We don't want to know where your contour ends and begins. So therefore, we take a small blending brush and we blend out those lines in an outward motion. Outward and upward motion, to be quite honest. And we blend it into the eyeshadow to give it that nice cut and shape, so our crease in our eyebrows can blend in with the contour of our nose and give it just a nice, beautiful shape. Now I take that same brush that I used to contour my nose, I wipe it off, and then I use my lightest concealer and I draw a strip straight down. And I actually like to blend it out with my fingers. So that's what you guys see me doing, blending out that nose contour with my fingers. You see me going in with the powder because when you have cream, when you use cream on your face, you want to set it with powder. So I just went in with a powder contour. It's actually, I want to say Black Radiance. That dark highlight contour palette. I really enjoy that. Scarf is in the way. Hair, got makeup all in the hair. Girl, we are just having a ball today. So now I'm actually taking a powder that is my skin tone, and as I'm brushing away the setting powder, I'm using the new powder to replace the setting powder and blended it all in together. I did go back in with the highlight just to under the contour of the cheeks, just to put it back, because I wanted my face to have more dimension and shape. And that is how you get more of a sculpted face. After you highlight, you put a lighter color under the highlight, and that would bring it out even more, bring out your face features even more. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm using it in the same powder as my skin color, and I'm blending out under my eyes and my nose, because I want that nose contour to be seamless. So when using a nose contour, when doing your nose contour, I should say, you want to use about 2 to 3 different colors and powders to help blend it out and make it seem seamless. Now what you see me doing is adding my blush, blush. Using I believe it's Juviasplace. I believe it's more of a plum purple, and you know I like to work in threes. So the next color that you guys are about to see is a beautiful rosy pink a dank dank dank. Yes, honey. Sometimes you gotta look in the camera, give yourself a little head nod. We are going in with a nudie peachy. It's not really peach. I want to say plummy natural color. It is a very neutral lip. You know, lately I've been loving this neutral lip thing that's been going on with me. For so long I would wear so many colors, but this nude lip vibe that I'm on these days, listen, I am here for it, darling. I am now going to be taking a little bit of that luminous veil. I believe it is in the gold shade. And we are just placing that illuminating veil right in our high points, right where we contour. But now this is our, it is a liquid highlight. It's definitely a liquid highlight. You don't need a whole lot of it. You should see the amount that's actually on my hand. It's less than a dime size. Listen, if you do not have any Danessa Myricks products, I strongly suggest you get it, because a little goes a long way. You really don't need a lot with this stuff. Blending out my nose, blending out my high points of my cheek, blending out right under my arch of my eyebrow. We want it to glow, shine, and just look very pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love the nose contour. It looks so natural. Now we're throwing on a pair of lashes, and you know what that means when we throw on a pair of lashes. The lashes are Amazon. I'm going to find the direct link and put it down below. And here we go. Oh, is she done? Is she finished? Yes, she is. Bye, guys.